Beautiful day here at Coyote Classics in Green, Iowa, and today we're pretty excited to check out and test drive this little Mustang convertible.
Yeah, you can't beat the color. Red with white interior, Dalton. And this is exactly how this one came from the factory. A red car, white top, white interior. And this one has a power top, which, you know, is in 65, it was kind of rare.
Yeah, beautiful. That white interior, well, you're opening that.
Yeah, go ahead.
That white interior is gorgeous too. Seats have been recovered, red carpet. It's a beautiful car.
It really is. It's a really nice starter Mustang for somebody. It's not half-ass and tacky. Even has the original code. I mean, it's original 289 as far as I can tell. As a, you know, how many times are these still here? You know, the original tag.
Factory V8 car as well, C code.
Yep, stock manifolds, brand new dual exhaust. Radiator looks relatively new. Just a nice run and driving car.
I mean, this is gonna be, I think this was gonna fly off the shelf. You know, Jason pulled it up here. That paint was done beautifully. Still looks wet. You know, got a great shine to it.
The paint job's older. Michael buffed it all out the other day. It looks great. We also put the wheel well trim on it, and the previous owner put the Cooper Cobra raised white letter tires with the style steel rims, which really give this one a great look. Yeah, if you go around it, like I said, it's a nice straight car. The back of the hood lines up nice on both sides. And this one was a factory Rangoon Red with a white interior with the red carpet. It's exactly what the door tag depicts it out as. Little paint chip down in that corner down in there. Again, the cowl, the back of the hood lines up nice. Top of the fender lines up good.
And this car is really priced to sell too for a beautiful Mustang coupe. Someone's going to get a hell of a deal and a hell of a car.
Exactly. If you go on the website, coyoteclassics.com, you'll see all the pictures of the undercarriage, frame rails, stuff like that. Rear frame rails all look good. Undercarriage had a couple new floor pans. It really looks good. Looks like the corner of the door doesn't line up 100% perfect at the bottom, but not many of these Mustangs do. Back bumper looks nice. Got some little chips right here along the quarter extension. Trunk lid and the quarter extension lines up great though. Nice dual exhaust coming out there. Back behind the rear quarter panel over the wheel well all looks good. Factory 3-speed manual with a 2.80 to 1 limited slip rear end, Dalton. AM FM cassette. The seats are in great shape. When they did the paint on the door jambs, you can leave the top down. Yeah, the top's got a white power top. It does have a couple little spots we can show you at the very back corner where it was pinched. Other than that, the top looked to be in good shape. Door jamb paint's nice. It's got seat belts in the front. Carpet's good. When they did the paint job, they took the doors and fenders and did a nice job on the jambs and everything as well. Horn works. It's got 99,010 miles on the odometer. Again, 3-speed manual, which really we'll figure it out when we drive it, but can always be changed out to a 4 or 5-speed if you want down the road.
Now, honestly, I've driven a lot of 3-speed manual Mustangs. I really don't mind them.
No.
You know, you don't really need any more than that in a Mustang coupe.
Not with these gears, you know. Going up and down the side of the driver's side, both bottom of the doors just stick out just that little tiny bit. Not bad at all. And this one here, push in on it, D. This one might be able to go in. Yeah, yeah. This one could be adjusted in with the striker.
Yep.
Top of the quarters. Got a couple tiny little hairline cracks right there, one on each side. But other than that, the trunk lid fits good. No bubbles or blisters over the quarters. In front here. I think everyone's going to be racing to this one, Dave.
I think so too.
Definitely going to have some broken hearts on the 65 Mustang convertible.
I mean, look at it. I mean, convertible, red, white interior. What the hell else you need?
Door jamb paint is awesome. Dash pad's new. Inside the trunk, Pop that. I mean, looks nice as well. People are thinking, what's wrong with it? What's wrong with it? Is the trunk gone? No, it's all painted in there. That looks good too. It's got the jack instructions, spare. I don't know what these are. Oh, these must be for the door or something. I don't know what that is. No, painted red, trunk extension. Really cool car.
Excited to see how it drives. It's kind of nice to finally have a day where we can have a top down on something and not be freezing our ass off.
Yeah, no kidding. It's a gorgeous day.
Paid for a Mustang. There's plenty of room in here.
Yeah, the seats are comfortable. Doors shut nice too. Starts good, runs good. Works good there. Heater fan works. Wipers work.
So your fuel gauge works as well.
Yeah, fuel gauge works. Temperature gauge I'm sure probably does, but I'm not sure yet. Steering wheel's original.
Got the day-night mirror, that's crystal clear. Look at that rhyme.
Ooh, crystal clear.
Gotta get
Day-night
those
mirror,
little rhymes.
crystal clear. Shift's good. Speedometer bounces just a little bit. As far as our brakes go, I'm sure they're drum brakes. They feel really nice and tight.
That carpet's beautiful too. Looks like that's replaced.
You know what?
I love a white interior with a red carpet.
Yeah, you're not going to get much better than that. Idle's great, doesn't it?
Yeah, it really does.
The only thing we don't know if it works or not is the temp gauge, but by the time we're back, we'll know.
It's got some juice too.
Damn right.
Great ship. She chirped them going into second there.
Hell yeah.
It looks like it drives awesome.
It does, man.
Wow.
I'm surprised. I mean, I shouldn't be. I mean, it looks great, but I'm like, I keep looking, what's wrong with this thing?
Yeah, nothing. Fantastic car. Probably 65, 70 right there.
Yeah, we definitely were. There's no vibration or nothing like that. The tires are balanced.
Man, yeah, first come, first serve on this thing. Someone's going to get an awesome car. So check it out on the website, coyoteplastics.com. Links down in the comment section if you're watching on YouTube. But don't hesitate to give us a call. This thing's not going to stick around long.